Eat out, eat out, meaning eat at a restaurant, eat at a restaurant. We eat out when we don't feel like cooking. We eat out when we don't feel like cooking. Eat up, meaning finish all the food, finish all the food. Please eat up before the food gets cold. Please eat up before the food gets cold. Cook up, meaning prepare or invent a meal. Prepare or invent a meal. I cook up something simple after work. I cook up something simple after work. Whip up, meaning make food quickly. Make food quickly. I whip up a quick lunch during my break. I whip up a quick lunch during my break. Cut up, meaning divide food into smaller pieces. Divide food into smaller pieces. I cut up the vegetables before dinner. I cut up the vegetables before dinner. Slice up, meaning cut food into thin pieces. Cut food into thin pieces. I slice up the bread for sandwiches. I slice up the bread for sandwiches. Chop up, meaning cut food into small pieces. Cut food into small pieces. I chop up the peppers carefully. I chop up the peppers carefully. Fry up, meaning cook food by frying. Cook food by frying. I fry up some eggs in the morning. I fry up some eggs in the morning. Heat up, meaning make food warm. Make food warm. I heat up leftovers for lunch. I heat up leftovers for lunch. Warm up, meaning gently heat food. Gently heat food. I warm up the soup slowly. I warm up the soup slowly. Boil up, meaning heat liquid until it boils. Heat liquid until it boils. I boil up some water for pasta. I boil up some water for pasta. Serve up, meaning put food on plates and serve. Put food on plates and serve. They serve up dinner at 6. They serve up dinner at 6. Dish up, meaning serve food. Serve food. I dish up the meal for everyone. I dish up the meal for everyone. Set out, meaning arrange food for others. Arrange food for others. We set out snacks for guests. We set out snacks for guests. Lay out, meaning arrange food attractively. Arrange food attractively. They lay out a big buffet. They lay out a big buffet. Pick at, meaning eat very little. eat very little. I pick at my food when I feel nervous. I pick at my food when I feel nervous. Fill up. Fill up. Meaning, eat until satisfied. Eat until satisfied. I fill up quickly with bread. I fill up quickly with bread. Cut back on. Cut back on. Meaning, reduce how much you eat. Reduce how much you eat. I cut back on sugar these days. I cut back on sugar these days. Pig out. Pig out. Meaning, eat a lot, often unhealthy food. Eat a lot, often unhealthy food. We pig out on snacks during films. We pig out on snacks during films. Live on. Live on. Meaning, eat something regularly. Eat something regularly. They live on takeaway food. They live on takeaway food. Dine out. Dine out. Meaning, eat at a restaurant. Eat at a restaurant. We dine out once a week. We dine out once a week. Wash down. Wash down. Meaning, drink to help swallow food. Drink to help swallow food. I wash down the meal with water. I wash down the meal with water. Mix up. Mix up. Meaning, combine ingredients. Combine ingredients. I mix up the sauce carefully. I mix up the sauce carefully. Stir in. Stir in. Meaning, add while mixing. Add while mixing. I stir in the spices slowly. I stir in the spices slowly. Top up. Top up. Meaning, add more of something. Add more of something. I top up the soup with water. I top up the soup with water. Run out of. Run out of. Meaning, have no food left. Have no food left. We run out of milk quickly. We run out of milk quickly. Stock up on. Stock up on. Meaning, buy a large amount. Buy a large amount. We stock up on pasta. We stock up on pasta. Thaw out. Thaw out. Meaning, let frozen food warm. Let frozen food warm. I thaw out the chicken overnight. I thaw out the chicken overnight. Sweeten up. Sweeten up. Meaning, make food sweeter. Make food sweeter. I sweeten up the tea slightly. I sweeten up the tea slightly. Cut out. Cut out. Meaning, stop eating something. Stop eating something. I cut out junk food completely. I cut out junk food completely. Pack up. Pack up. Meaning, put food away. Put food away. We pack up the picnic food. We pack up the picnic food. Hand out. Hand out. Meaning, give food to people. Give food to people. They hand out snacks to guests. They hand out snacks to guests. Pass around. Pass around. Meaning, share food with others. Share food with others. We pass around the biscuits. We pass around the biscuits. Munch on. Munch on. Meaning, eat casually. Eat casually. I munch on fruit during breaks. I munch on fruit during breaks. Snack on. Snack on. Meaning, eat small amounts. Eat small amounts. I snack on nuts at work. I snack on nuts at work. Dig into. Dig into. Meaning, start eating eagerly. Start eating eagerly. We dig into the meal immediately. We dig into the meal immediately. Polish off. Polish off. Meaning, finish all the food. Finish all the food. I polish off the last slice. I polish off the last slice. Cut into. Cut into. Meaning, slice food. Slice food. I cut into the cake slowly. I cut into the cake slowly. Cool down. Cool down. Meaning, let food lose heat. Let food lose heat. I cool down the sauce first. I cool down the sauce first. Clean up. Clean up. Meaning, remove food and dishes. Remove food and dishes. We clean up after dinner. We clean up after dinner. Throw away. Throw away. Meaning, discard food. Discard food. I throw away stale bread. I throw away stale bread. Warm through. Warm through. Meaning, heat food evenly. Heat food evenly. I warm through the stew. I warm through the stew. Sort out. Sort out. Meaning, prepare food arrangements. Prepare food arrangements. We sort out lunch early. We sort out lunch early. Send back. Send back. Meaning, return food. Return food. We send back cold food. We send back cold food. Pour out. Pour out. Meaning, serve a drink. Serve a drink. I pour out the tea. I pour out the tea. Finish off. Finish off. Meaning, complete eating. Complete eating. I finish off the meal. I finish off the meal. Fork out. Fork out. Meaning, pay for food unwillingly. Pay for food unwillingly. I fork out for expensive meals. I fork out for expensive meals. Plate up. Plate up. Meaning, arrange food on plates. Arrange food on plates. I plate up the food neatly before dinner. I plate up the food neatly before dinner. Tuck into, meaning start eating with enjoyment. Start eating with enjoyment. We tuck into the meal eagerly. We tuck into the meal eagerly. Load up on, meaning eat a lot of something. Eat a lot of something. We load up on carbs. We load up on carbs.